Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Create a full site backup before you begin any HTTPS changes. Confirm your hosting account or VPS supports port 443 and SSL modules. Choose either Let's Encrypt free certificates or a paid SSL from your host. Verify WordPress runs on PHP 7, 4 or higher, and that you have WordPress 5, X or newer. Check your domain has correct DNS or records pointing to the server IP address. Note any subdomains you need to cover with a multi-domain or wildcard certificate. Install the certificate using your control panel or certbot. For Apache use, sudo certbot apache d example. com d www. Example. Com and follow prompts. For Nginx, install the cert and set listen 443 SSL with correct SSL certificate file paths. Add a 301 redirect from HTTP to HTTPS in htaccess or Nginx server block to force secure traffic. Update WordPress address and site address to https / in settings. Test the site with SSL Labs and check the browser console for mixed content errors. Use a plugin or manual search and replace to fix any http / asset links. Automate renewal with certbot renew or enable your host's automatic renewals, since Let's Encrypt certificates renew every 90 days. Enable HSDS with max age equals 31,536,000 only after confirming HTTPS works across the site and redirects are stable. Update your CDN, sitemap, and robots entries to use HTTPS / and monitor uptime after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.